Who is Ken Paxton? Texas Attorney General's wife files for divorce. Ken Paxton, the Texas Attorney General and GOP U.S. Senate candidate who has been embroiled in a series of controversies in recent years, confirmed that he and his wife, Texas State Senator Angela Paxton, are divorcing. Angela Paxton, a Republican who represents the state's 8th Senate District, announced the news on X July 10. Today, after 38 years of marriage, I filed for divorce on biblical grounds, she wrote. I believe marriage is a sacred covenant and I have earnestly pursued reconciliation. But in light of recent discoveries, I do not believe that it honors God or is loving to myself, my children, or Ken to remain in the marriage. Ken Paxton released his own statement on X shortly thereafter, in which he attributed the pressures of countless political attacks and public scrutiny for the filing. Angela accused her husband of adultery, according to court filings obtained by the Texas Tribune. The divorce petition also says the couple has lived apart since June 2024, according to the Texas Tribune. USA Today has reached out to the court clerk's office for Collin County, Texas, where the divorce petition was filed, to obtain a copy. Here's what to know about Ken Paxton, a high-profile conservative and longtime ally of President Donald Trump. Ken Paxton is the incumbent Attorney General of Texas, a role he has held since 2015. Before that, Paxton was a Texas state representative from 2003 to 2013, and a state senator for 2 years. In April, Ken Paxton launched a bid to challenge U.S. Senator John Cornyn, Republican Texas, in the 2026 primary for Cornyn's Senate seat. Paxton graduated from Baylor University with a bachelor's degree in psychology and a master's degree in business administration. He also received a law degree from the University of Virginia School of Law and subsequently practiced as an attorney before his foray into politics, according to the Texas Attorney General website. The Texas Attorney General met his wife, Angela Paxton, while they were both students at Baylor, per his website. They had been married for 38 years before she filed for divorce and share 4 children and 2 grandchildren. Throughout his time as Texas Attorney General, Ken Paxton has been a staunch Trump ally, supporting many of the administration's policies, including immigrant deportations and strict border policies. Trump has called Paxton a very talented guy and a great attorney general. Ken Paxton controversies, impeachment, alleged adultery. Ken Paxton has faced his share of controversies over the years, notably including a 2023 impeachment trial. He was impeached by the Texas House of Representatives on bribery charges, but the state Senate later acquitted him. The trial in part stemmed from 2020 allegations from several of Paxton's former aides, who alleged abuse of office, bribery, and other crimes. Some of the aides later filed a wrongful termination lawsuit, prompting a Texas House in